Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to find old servers in Grow A Garden on Roblox. It has been some reports that people sometimes claim they can give you access to an old server so you can relive past events like Easter events, but these old events servers do not exist. Roblox forces updates so all active servers reflect the current version. Many articles warn that anyone promising old servers is probably trying to scam players and asking for rare pets or crops, etc. The only and safely way to try to find older or quiet servers, if you just want them, just open the Grow A Garden page on Roblox. Scroll to the servers section and choose to load more servers. Sort by fewest players or lowest player count if your Roblox UI or extension allows. Look for servers with players who are still standing still or very few people online. These are more likely to be older or less active instances. Join quickly once you spot the one you like. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.